Hello friends, welcome back to another video of this COBOL programming course. In this video, we'll jump to module 2, COBOL program structure. In this module, we'll be discussing about COBOL coding sheet. I also will be discussing about program structure, how we organize and write a COBOL program through different divisions, sections, paragraph and sentences. Also, we'll write a sample program and execute it. So let's jump to the coding sheet. Firstly, let's understand the structure of a COBOL coding sheet. It consists of several columns that serve a specific purpose, organizing and documenting a COBOL code. Column 1 to 6 are used for page number, line number, or we can assign a tag that would help for reference a specific code. Let's see the example on a mainframe. So firstly, we will create a sheet for we will create a member for our COBOL program. Go to edit. Coding sheet. We'll create one member. So this is the sheet we have. Here are the columns which serve a specific purpose. Column 1 to 6 is used for page number, line number, and we can assign a tag that would help for reference specific code. For example, this is the tag we can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or we can write name as well, Asif test, like that. So this is just a line number and tag number, and this we have this column 7. Column 7, we have three things here. One is asterisk sign, which is used for commenting a line. Then we have hyphen, which is used for continuing the line, and we have page slash, which is denote a page break. Let's say example. If we give this is column 7. If we give asterisk sign here, that means the complete line is commenting out. And if we give slash here, which is used for page break at compile time, and if we add hyphen here like that, then it means that this is the continuing a line. Now next, column 8 to 11 mark up area A, where we can write a divisions, sections and paragraph. For example, this column 8 to 11, 8, 9, 10 and 11. This is markup a area A. In area A, we can write division, section, paragraph. And here 12 to 72, from 12 to 72, it is a area B, where we write actual COBOL program. Here we write sentences, verb, statements, which we use in our COBOL coding sheet. And lastly, we have from column 72 to 80. It is again we use for commenting a COBOL code, commenting purpose. For example, if we need to add additional notes to the program, we can add it here. So we generally avoid this column from 70 to 88. So that's all about this video